Hello guys, this is Banknotes of the World, back on the video. Today I'm gonna show you my Guinea or Guinea franc notes from the current issues because I finally completed my sets. But as of today, while I'm recording this video, I might go get a new NC 5000 in a few weeks, so I don't think I'm gonna make an update of Guinean franc for only one note. But you might see the uncirculated 5000 in my World Banknotes updates that will normally be posted in January 2021, where I'll show my full notes collection, my full album, with most of my notes that I collect. So stay tuned. That's why you should guys subscribe and turn on the notification bell, yeah. But anyway, let's get into the topic right now. So, the set is composed of 6 denominations, as you can see, guys. So we're gonna start right now. So this is the most recent one, the 500, that was released 2 years ago, I think. So on the front, a woman with a turban, with the West African traditional outfits. Here you've got the Horn of Guinea, with their motto. The motto of Guinea is, let me just zoom. The motto of Guinea is Travail, Justice, Solidarité, which means work, equality, solidarity. The home is here. This is the date of independence, 1st March of 1960. Pretty simple note, very cheap. The face value is like 5 cents, because €1 is 10,000 francs. I don't know why do they still issue those very low denominations notes, but it's not my problem. I'm still happy to have it. On the rest, we got a cemetery, I think. They might extract some, I don't know, some precious metals, some gold, or maybe some cements they're making. Yeah, I don't know. Here you've got a traditional hut, maybe. I don't know what it is. It looks like a tent, but I honestly don't know. So what I'm pretty sure about is that this is the shape of Guinea, the map of Guinea, yeah? Located in Western Africa, close to Sierra Leone, Liberia, and honestly don't remember, but all what you have to know is that this country is, they speak French, yeah, and it's in West Africa. Now let's move on with the 1000 franc notes. On the front we've got a child, might be a young girl. The Horn of Guinea, 2017, a nice bird here as well. We've got the RG inscriptions, which mean République de Guinée or République Guinéenne. The signatures here, some birds here, as I told previously here. It's a nice note, yeah. I think there's also a commemorative oral print on, not on this one, but I think there are some variety on for this note. I'm not pretty sure. Here you've got some bananas, some big trucks, caterpillars, and you know, it might be a mine of I don't know what, but it might be a mine where they extract the precious metals, or you know, like the cobalt or something like that. Banque centrale de la République de Guinée, Central Bank of Guinea Republic, yeah. It's a nice note, yeah. Very, very, very cheap and full of details, yeah. I think this is my favorite from the set, honestly, the 2000. I think the 2000 and the 20,000 are my favorites by far. So that one is from 2018. On the front we've got a man with the African outfit. I mean the Guinean outfit, yeah, sorry. We've got some birds as well, the Horn of Guinea, the motto, the date of independence. Yeah, it's not full of details, and if you really take a close look on these notes and take the time to enjoy them, you'll find a lot of details and stuff hidden on these notes, yeah. On the reverse, we've got some mountains, despite they aren't pretty high. small mountains with some trees here, palm trees there as well, or maybe cocoa trees, I don't know. The map of Guinea, it's a nice note, yeah, a nice green note. But the value is like 20 cents of euros, or 25 cents of US dollars, so it's very, very cheap, yeah. So let's move on with the 5,000. So that one, I got it directly from Guinea when my both parents went to Guinea actually, yeah, like 3 years ago. So they brought me the 5,000 and 20,000 from current series, plus many other ones. Then from 2015, we've got a woman again with the traditional outfits. I think these are some shells actually, you know, here. Yeah, it's a nice note, worth about 50 cents, but still a good note. Here you've got a barrage with a lake maybe. This is a corn, because maybe some corn grow in Guinea, yeah. It's a cool note, yeah. Oh, finally we've got another UNCO note, the 10,000 from 2018. I've got the one like 2 days ago, but I really wanted to make a video. For those wonder, I might make like 10 or 12 currency special episodes, but actually I recorded all the videos the same day, because I don't have the time during the week while I'm studying. So I just took like 1 or 2 hours of my day to make all these videos, so I can upload them when I want. Like 2 videos a week I can upload. If you want, guys, let me know. But yeah, all these videos about Haiti, Dominican Republic, Guinea and stuff were recorded the same day. So yeah, if you really want to know everything, now you know. So that one is from 2018, as I said. You got a pretty young kid actually. I don't know, I think this is a girl, maybe a boy, I don't know. I don't want to offend anyone, if any Guinean watching my videos right now. But anyway, here we can see some seeds of cocoa, yeah, to make the chocolate, you know, and the cocoa trees, yeah. On the reverse, we've got the bush, yeah. The bush, yeah, that's the proper word, I think. Some rocks here, the bush, the trees, very cool colors. But the reverse is like exactly the same than the previous ones, except the size that is smaller. But I mean, the reverse of the 10,000 is exactly the same than the older 10,000, yeah. Only the size is changing, and maybe the front as well, yeah. But the reverse is like exactly the same, basically. Now let's move on with the last one, 20,000, one of my favorites as well. So that one I've got from my parents when they went to Guinea 3 years ago. At the time it used to worth about 2 euros, but I think the rate is still fixed to 2 euros for this note. I've got quite a few of these actually, in like a very fine to extremely fine condition, yeah. Sorry for the noise, lol. So we've got the motto of Guinea, a woman with a turban and some nice jewelries actually. 20,000 francs guinéens, 20,000 Guinean francs. It's a nice blue note, and here you've got a barrage actually. I don't know if it's the same barrage on the 5,000 francs. Just gonna take a closer look. I don't know if these are the same. Maybe, maybe not. I don't think so, because on the 5,000 we've got some mountains around the barrage lake, and on the 20,000 we've only got like some forests, yeah, so I don't think it's the same one. And if you take a really closer look, here you can see you've got some electricity cables, yeah, to bring electricity in the village or cities maybe. So it basically, this note is really showing the development in Guinea, the barrage, the electricity cables and stuff, which is a positive aspect of Africa actually. The development there is very fast, but very hard as well. But anyway, I'm not gonna speak about politics or economy. I'm just showing you some notes, guys, but it's still interesting to analyze the countries, this, like from their banknotes to analyze the countries, yeah. But anyway, that's the end of the video. It was a bit long, I know, but anyway, the Guinean franc deserved a nice episode, I think. Currency special episodes, because it's a very interesting currency, I think. A nice Western African currency, yeah. With some nice smiling faces on the notes. They are cheap, colorful, and full of colors, yeah. So that was for the Guinea franc. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Take care.